first man I met who agrees that I'm emotional. Men do want to keep away.
No.
We are strong and logical.
I think there has to be a spiritual balance. There has to be passion. There has to be emotional connect.
Coming to the third chapter, I think we spoke about the book, but tell me one moment. I think you gave me a beautiful moment of how the book, while writing it, that moment of stopping it came. But आपके book में actually narrative का main thought क्या था? What made you write it?
No, first of all, तो वो मेरी continuity थी making it big की, और इस बीच में जितने भी उतार चढ़ाव जो भी हुए, उसको हम लोगों ने कैसे टैकल किया. और एक बिजनेसमैन, वो भी एक सक्सेसफुल बिजनेसमैन, वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट बिजनेस हाउस का बिजनेसमैन, पॉलिटिक्स में जाता है तो क्या होता है, वो भी मुझे शेयर करना था लोगों से.
क्योंकि जनरली बोलते जाओ ही मत.
हाँ, तो उसका क्या, उसके में व्हाट इज माय रीडिंग, ओके, विदाउट एनी काइंड ऑफ अ विंडो ड्रेसिंग.
जैसे पीछे से कंट्रोल कर लेना, अंदर मत जाना.
वो दैट वाज आल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट. बट मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली आई थिंक दिस बुक आई डिसाइडेड टू complete now because people were losing hope. There was a mass migration at all levels.
Losing hope in being able to survive.
नेपाल में मतलब कि नहीं होगा,
कुछ
हो
नहीं
सकता है, रोज गवर्नमेंट बदलती है, नेगेटिव है.
ऐसे तो लोग विदेश जाते ही हैं काम ढूंढते वक्त,
लेकिन यहाँ पर उसका पेस कुछ ज़्यादा बहुत ही वाइड और बड़ा था. तो I think one of my intent was to show people that Nepal, you can still do it in Nepal. You can still have your headquarters in Nepal. You can still grow out of Nepal.
You have taken...
And that's why the book is called Made in Nepal.
But
I'm made in Nepal. The organization is made in Nepal.
Wow.
And many of our brands are made in Nepal.
Viva is
and
made
all
in
these
Nepal.
are made in Nepal.
But Viva is made in Nepal but loved by the world.
Loved by the world.
This is very rare. No other, I don't know, noodles or any FMCG brand has been loved in any other country so much as yours. But why before election? Why? This is एक सवाल लोगों ने पूछा, so I'm asking you blunt. Book का launch करने का समय
कोई इलेक्शन से लेना देना नहीं. ये टाइमिंग, it's by default because I was supposed to continue as a MP for next 2 years.
Yes.
अगर if it was not for Gen Z movement,
yes,
there wouldn't have been any election. So इसका कोई लेन देन नहीं. कंट्री की सिचुएशन, गवर्नेंस की सिचुएशन, कंट्री में नीड फॉर चेंज, उसका किताब से बहुत बड़ा लेन देन है.
You realized this was the moment.
Yeah, well, I thought,
It took that moment, and I think
it was important that somebody came up and tried to reignite the sense of hope. Everything is not
lost. It is a very
yet.
big burden or a responsibility. क्या लेते हैं आप, ये burden है कि जिम्मेदारी?
नहीं, ये जिम्मेदारी है, ये हमारी ड्यूटी है, ये मेरा moral obligation.
आपको जरूरत तो नहीं थी, आप तो बिल्कुल
moral obligation है, मेरी पहचान ही नेपाल है.